So it's goodbye. This is really sad. I'm so attached to this bike now. But Jason, my son, doesn't. He's got his life full with his new little business. And he hasn't got time to ride it. So we've decided to sell it. I've put so much into this thinking I would keep it, but I can't ride two bikes. It's got a screen protector here, just been fitted, and you notice the LED lights. The touring screen from Italy, carbon fibre skin beak, and brand new tyres. Not even been on the road yet, still got their markings on them. Little details like these reflective GS signs and the engine bars. These beautiful SW Motec adjustable footpads, really wide. These are unusual, these are by BMW World stickers. You see that there? And I've got them to cover the whole of the tank and the whole of the beak. Started doing that and we thought it just didn't look right. So we've left it where it is. China one side, it would have been Africa over here, and then the rest of the world right down onto the beak. They're very interesting. The Garmin Zumo 660 all working, and this is to take the remote controller for the GoPro. Brand new mirrors, because Jason had sold the screen and the mirrors. That's why we've got new mirrors. Carbon fibre skin, any parts that could move almost, things like this. The panniers, Vario panniers are on. They're at the smallest position now, they're closed. A new mudguard with, again, came from Germany, I think. These stickers, they're reflective stickers, and a very nice rear mudguard there. Brand new tyre, of course, both sides. So I say bye-bye today. The buyer on eBay, lovely guy called Derek. He's on the train at this very moment, coming up from London. I can't even go and pick him up. I feel really bad about that because we're tier 3. So I can't pick him up. He has to take a taxi from the station. He should be here by 11, and he's riding it back to Hertfordshire where he lives. Let me just see, it starts first time normally. Ignition goes through its checks. And if I put the hazard warnings on, you see the LED lights. Very neat, it brings it up to date really.
Please try to highlight a route.
And all that oil that was in the silencer's all burnt off now. And the engine does sound so very, very sweet. So I've got Derek's address plugged in, keyed into the Garmin, so he can go straight down the motorway. And there was me thinking, I could now go and see my son in Johannesburg on this bike. Who am I kidding? 8,500 miles. So it seems ever so sad when I know every inch of the bike, and it's gone so well. A wonderful project. But I'm only kidding myself, because this year with COVID, on my RT, I've only had one 3-day adventure and a couple of tiny ride outs. I know it's an unusual year, we're all in the same position, but I don't do enough miles. I want to do lots more miles, but I don't do enough to justify having 2 bikes. So bye-bye GS. Look after your new owner. I know you will.